So, really, you really need to get your facts straight. First of all, the whole thing with KT have the same energy. And I literally feel sick to my stomach every time I connect. And unfortunately, I don't know who. Now, let's have that little discussion of whole bullshit. I see that raising KT is just like you, Shelby, and she does the truth. In fact, I didn't see her tell the truth not one time during the whole bullshit of her being so sad on her birthday when we all know it was bullshit. For months and months, she posted, and she's just like you, and she dirty deletes things when she gets caught. Not once did she own up to her part. Not one time did she tell the truth about the whole scenario. That's why I was reluctant to apologize. And to be honest with you, I don't apologize. I take all that shit back. Shit that I've seen that this girl has accused me of, but hasn't shown proof of anything. Loves to run her mouth about me. If I made you cry on your birthday, you're a shit human being, fucking liar. You are just like chauvy. And I don't mess with people like that. And I was very nice to you. And I don't know, I could feelings when you don't like me. You do sound man. I'm stating the facts. I didn't call you a man. I said you sound a man. Shavi and KT. And truth. Tell the truth. How you were fucking constantly at me. But you won't.